Mama Jo, which elevator are you using?
No, because it's
It's
going
going
up.
up.
Not yet.
Wow, I literally can see the top. I'm upside down.
Mobile ka ka, Tita Manet.
I will go to Dubai Mall, and there's a stage there that you will dance.
See, but you cannot add too much.
Oh,
You know, you cannot add. Saan ka bang lady?
Isa ka pa? Wala, naubo.
ah!
Gram. Press down. Ano siya? Gram?
Yeah, it's fine.
Mama, I'm already recording. Mama, I'm already recording.
What are you recording, anak?
Ow! Ay, kakadalas akong Pinoy.
Pwede mo din.
Yes!
No.
My whole body practice is literally katol kaayo.
What do you want to eat now?
I don't know.
Hindi ka na, rice pa rin.
I don't know.
Whatever we will buy, okay?
Why?
Pilian niya punta.
I knew you would say that.
What?
I knew you would say that.
Which one? The pilian ka? You're choosy? Picky eater?
Ah! Ay, wala man ka na nga to. Walk.
One. Where? What do you want? Toys.
Mama Jo, can Tita Manet buy me toys?
Choice mo mata.
Why did you say that to me? That's a bad thing. Ang uli na ta. Ang ato ta. Patay nabilin sa mong balay.
Kasapal?
Let's go in the taxi. Let's go.
Ito na lang dapat sa Central.
Oh.
Ito na lang dapat sa town center.
Mama Jo, where's Tita Manet going?
Here.
Mama Jo.
Oh.
Mama
Town
Jo.
center, we are going to look for restaurant only.
Mama Jo, is Tita Manet going with us?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm staying here.
Oh.
So does she look like Tita Princess?
I don't look like Tita Princess.
Dili man.
I'm prettier than Tita
But,
Princess.
but a little bit.
But a little bit. Yeah, she's my sister. That's why. Why you call Tita Princess Tita Manet? She always tells me, Marco, call me Tita Manet again. You don't know Tita Princess. You're confused now.
Why are you going to speed up 80 miles per hour? I'm not
Nakaba
doing
sa
this.
accident ko sa ano, along sa way, good. Ay, ano dito?
No, 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 no,
Piling ako
no.
dito,
It's okay. Wait. That's so good. That's so good. I can't believe
As in?
the driving.
Helicopter. Yung road sports car, ang accident.
I still got red spots on my body. Look.
Ang helicopter ka nasa dalan, besh.
This is a dream.
Dili shooting.
Wala ka na
I
picture?
know.
Wala, kailangan ko na tikas na side.
Bawal
pa siya
I live some buses.
Unang medyo
This is some buses. Look at the view.
ano,
Look at the view.
Wala siya nahulog.
Oh!
Where the train tracks?
Mama Jo.
Sorry, brother.
Rock bank side.
Mama Jo.
Or formal in, main.
Mama Jo, look. I'm recording. Mama, look. I'm recording you.
Dito na lang ito dapat kaya para ko.
Okay,
Tapos na lang tapos tapos na lang tapos
Mama Jo.
Ay, sa Barjil na lang niya.
Mama Jo, look.
Where is
I'm
that?
recording you.
You know Barjil restaurant?
Yeah.
Filipino restaurant?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, there.
I don't even know what that is.
My head hurts enough. Why too much things we have to think of.
Maybe you don't have to think.
Maybe you
I
don't
don't
have
have
to
to
think.
think. Yeah,
Very
maybe.
good lang.
Maybe that's
Tell
the
Mama.
answer.
Do not stress.
Maybe we really just don't have to think and we will not be stressed.
So you have to...
Mama, I'm recording you.
Marco,
I'm recording you, Mama.
why are you recording me? Kaya nga pati mag-vlog siya nang matalas ba? Kasi yung gusto, pag ganda ko na mag-dong, teacher pa rin kay Tita Irish, manners pa rin kay Papa siyang, I don't know, pero nag-save video. You wanna be a vlogger lang?
Ito na, yung gusto kong
Yes.
bantay ka Hope niya. Karon kay maglagot siya ni Hope. Kay
Yeah,
kanang dito
Iyak
daw.
kayo?
Dito daw. Mal dito daw si Hope.
Maldito.
Sumugan kayo si Hope Jud.
As
Grabe.
in, ano ganun si Darian?
Kasi gulita siya yung kuya kayo. Ang gulita niya. Kanang sakyan niya yung kuya. Kaning po
No.
sa sayaw mo kayo mo Jud.
That's so fast.
Rick, wag ka parkings!
Oh! My phone is fed out.
Why are there barricade, brother? Why they're covering this?
New decoration.
Just for
See,
decoration.
I told you, that's too fast.
Puro Dubai, i-close nila ang entire street para lang mag-change ka ng sa mga flats.
Ay, Lord, mauli ano kasi Mark para makalang ng Dubai.
Nag-open na ba yung Expo City? 120 dirhams kayo ang kuan.
Entrance?
Entrance. Of
Ah,
course,
naman,
because
ano,
it's very big.
Yeah, dili mo
Wala
ba?
wala ko kaabot, di ba?
Wala ka abot sa expo nga
Oh my god, it's very nice.
120 po ba yun?
Pero it's very
So,
hago
kailangan
kayo
na
best.
120.
Ha?
Hago kay Bagtas.
Hago kay baktas ay kumato ka dito dapat power jugay ka. Yes, Marco, pag dito na siya mali.
Kaya ako, pagbalik na akong Dubai kayo nagsakit gamay akong tuhod.
Oh my god.
Ibuang na akong tuhod eh.
Oh my god, maybe you have to go check up the x-ray ba? No, don't you dare move!
Yeah, wala naman ako.
No, no.
Oo, nalatakong na ka. Marco.
You're okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
Ano ka na na Manila River dapat Albarjil.
Card?
I will eat gulay. Eat gulay, okay?
Oh, this is very nice. Huh? Very slim.
Yes.
You what?
Siya na, tap-tap.
That's his phone. Ah! Ew!
Let's go. Hold to mama. What?
Sige, vlog.
Hi!
Hi, guys.
Welcome to Mama's vlog.
No, it's my vlog.
Marco's vlog.
I stole Mama's channel now. Only one channel. I literally didn't make so much videos in Mama's channel. Nah. Oh, do you French fries? No, it's alright ka.
Mag-alak ka?
Subscribe Cocoa tree.